Choosing a right product is not easy nowadays. So we are here to help you. We put products in our list after researching on them, after checking the quality of products, and also after different experiments. We categorized products and also their rankings. We always list quality products that are suitable for our subscribers. The best thing is we try to give high quality products in affordable price. Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is on Amazon. You will get a number of different products, but we are putting this in our list because of many different aspects. Corded power, equipped with 2.0 amp motor, stronger than most sanders. This palm sander rotates at 14,000 pm and can tackle major jobs with ease. Hook and loop system, simple and quick sanding sheet changes. Dust management, use the included dust box and dust vacuum adapter. Keep a clean working space. Ergonomic design, soft grip design for added comfort and control. Dust sealed switch, keep out the dust for extended performance. See more product details. The number 3 on the list is choosing a right product is not easy. We always choose products after different experiments. Smooth finish, pad dampening system designed to eliminate swirl marks on both flat and contoured surfaces. Easy disc attachment, through Bosch's signature hook and loop disc attachment system. Sanding pads stick to the hand sander, acting like a Velcro adhesion material. Variable speed control, powerful 2.5 amp motor allows speed to workpiece and task matching with ease. No load OPM, 7,500 to 12,000. Dust collection, features a microfilter system for fine dust and trapping particles as small as a 1/2 micron in diameter. Durable and compact. The dust canister shows dust level and easily detaches for mess-free tasks. Kit contents includes sanding pad, sanding disc, dampening ring, dust canister, vacuum adapter and carrying bag. See more product details. The number 2 on the list is many positives. Reviews for this product are available on different forums and communities. Features a 3.75 x 5.5 inch pad with an angled tip for precision work. Powerful 1 amp motor provides 13,500 OPM. Lightweight design weighs in at a mere 2 pounds. Dust collection port helps minimize loose sawdust. Velcro base pad allows for simple sandpaper removal and installation. See more product details. The number 1 on the list is this product comes with premium quality and affordable price. 2.3 amp motor of the electric sander sands at 14,000 OPM. Rubber overmold texture will provide a smooth and comfortable control while sanding. Improved paper clamp of the 1/4 sheet sander features for better paper retention. Locking dust port system that allows the user to lock vacuum hose up with the sander. Reduced overall height of the sander to get the user closer to their work. Foam pad for flatter sanding plane. Separate counterweight for reduced vibration. Show more.